Oh, sorry guys. I didn't see my cell phone hang again. Sorry guys. I was reading my I am reading here on my phone, but sorry guys, I didn't notice. Ano ba yun? Sabi ko naghang na naman pala yung ano ko. Naghang pala ulit yung screen ng cellphone ko. Ano ba to? Lagi na lang. Bakit kaya? Yung yung chat ng screen ko, walang lumalabas. Andito pala yung good morning gender ni Sis Lori. Sorry guys, I didn't notice. Ayan. Hello Sis Lori. Hola gender. Ilang pong salamat. Home life with Ezil. Hello, how are you? Maingay ka daw kasi mamalay. Narinig mo pala yun. Sorry Sis Lori ha. Sorry guys, the screen of my phone is locked again. I don't know what had happened. So, let's read the chat. Sorry guys, I didn't notice here. Diyan ka lang at magtanim ako ng mini kiwi. Sige lang sis Lori, salamat. Estoy bien, princesa. Gracias, Jander. Estoy bien. Ading Charles, mega love shoutout. Kumusta? Kaya pala sabi ko, bakit kaya yung screen ko, hindi dumadami yung yung chat. Nak Charles, rami ng pom. Gracias por el cariño. De nada, Jander. Muchas gracias también. Inang po, mega love shoutout from Charles. Dito lang habang work mode. Sige lang, Ading Charles. Salamat. Hello, idol. Flavio, kumusta? Flavio Bagotsay. Kumusta, idol? Naghang yung screen ko. Hello, Ogier. Sorry. I didn't notice your chat here because the chat of my phone hung. It's locked again. I don't know what happened. Happy Tuesday night. Hello po, Kusinerong Pastor. Kumusta po kayo? Ogier, Coins, how are you? Kusinerong Pastor, kumusta po? Wait lang, Kusinerong ha. At natin. Nandyan pa po ba kayo, Pastor? At natin, ipin natin. Ayan po, nakapin na po. Pasupport na lang po yung nakapin po natin. Ading Charles from Sis Lori. Sir Flavio from Sis Lori. Harang BG. Salamat din ang po. Hello, Ogier from Lorico. Obrigado, bye-bye, prinsesa. Gracias, Jander. Cuídate mucho. Muchísimas gracias. Kusinerong Pastor from Sis Lorico. Hi, Flavio Bagotsay Official. Kusinerong Pastor Pom Kakuda, Charles Lumawig. Jander Ferreira and Lorico from Ogir Coins. Muchas gracias, Ogir. Mahal, wag kang mag-BG dyan. Lumabas ka sa lungga mo. Bakit inang? Nasa lungga ba si Amang? It's all okay, Leilani. What are you up today? Here I am, Ogir. I didn't have my live stream yesterday because I wasn't feeling well and I am trying today. Hola, Ogir, Kakuda, thanks from Jander. Harang, salamat sa harang, Ading Charles. Amang, kumusta? Grabe naman, mahal ko. Alam na naka-BG ako. Binibilang niya kasi Amang, kung sino yung, ang tawag dito. Binibilang niya kasi Amang na kung sino yung nandyan. Kung ilan ng ating mga bisita, kaya alam ni Amang na iniinang na nandyan ka. 9 million people in the house. Mega love shoutout everyone. Ano ba naman to? Bakit kaya nagganito yung ko? Kung hindi naghang yung screen, yung chat naman ang naghahang. Gracias, Jander. Always naman mahal eh. Ayun. Agoy. Natin. Okay naman yung niya, yung screen. Ang problema dito is yung natin. Yung chat ng cellphone ba? Bakit kaya nangyayari yun?